Hey guys, so for the last few years I have been using many phones, but my daily driver has always been a Pixel phone. Like before the Pixel phones, it was Nexus phones, Nexus 6P, and before that others, Nexus even up down to Nexus 1. So I have used Nexus phone for a long. Then came the Pixel lineup. I started using Pixel lineup as well, but Pixels never lived up to the expectation. But their software experience was so clean and their camera was so good that I kept using them. My daily driver is actually my Pixel 4a 5G. Now it was time for me to actually upgrade to a new phone, and I was thinking of getting a Pixel 6 Pro. But the problem with Pixel 6 Pro is that the reports about its software has not been good. Like it's been buggy, and the updates with each update Google has delivered, the things got worse. And the camera, which the Pixel was known for, it is still one of the best, but not the best, which it was a few years ago. So I decided to give Samsung a try for the first time for the first time ever. Look, so I have used iPad. I still used iPad. I have a Sony phone like Xperia lying around here. I really like it as well. The speakers are really good. I use the gaming experience is top notch. I have an iPhone 11, and I also keep this iPhone 5s with me because I really like it. So now that it is time to upgrade to a new phone, I have ordered a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra along with a Pixel Watch 4, not the classic variant, the simple variant, Bluetooth variant, and 44 mm. And so I thought I should give Samsung a try because in the last few years their phones have improved a lot. And one of the complaints with the Samsung was that their software support was really bad. But last year they actually went even ahead of Google and announced that they will be giving three major OS upgrades, and they will be supporting the phones for I think 4 years or 5 years for security patches, which is a big thing. Samsung was terrible at software updates, and me being a software engineer, I really love to get software updates. I always want to be on the newest possible software version. So it was very important for me to get a new software, and Pixel was the only way. But now Samsung phones have actually become more stable when because their updates when delivered are not buggy like Google, and that they are promising three major OS upgrades along with 4 or 5 years of security patches. And I also ordered a watch because I wanted to get advantage of the health features that it provides. So this is how it looks when you open it up, and right on top is just the phone. The full body, actually the packaging is so compact that it's just the phone and minor edges on the side of the packing. So I give them that the packaging is as less as it can be, and now that they have reduced the accessories. So let me bring it up. Okay, this is the phone. I ordered the black one because I like black one. So let me phantom black. It's phantom black actually, or put it aside and see what we have. So we have a SIM ejector tool in the bottom, and let's see if there is anything else inside. And yeah, it's empty. Now this is user manual and a Type C to Type C cable, not even braided. I mean, it's the flagship series, so at least cable should have been braided. And there you have it. Look at that. You get this and then SIM ejector. Three things and you're done. Let me turn it on. It feels nice to hold in the hands. I mean, uh, it's it's a big device, like you can feel it, and but it still feels nice to hold. The edges are rounded in a way that it is very comfortable for your hand, and yeah, And I actually really like this camera bump. It is very nice. I have always liked the flushed camera lenses. This is really nice. I mean, I like this camera design better than the S21 Ultra. Many people actually prefer S21 Ultra, but I like this design better than S21 Ultra. So we have this, and now it's asking me to set it up, which I will do later. So now let's go ahead and open our Galaxy Watch 4. Let me see if there is a seal. Okay, so something is inside this as well, but this is the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4 for 44 mm, not the 40 mm, 44 mm Bluetooth, not the classic version. This is what it looks like inside. Oh, and what is this? Some kind of user manual. And to be honest, it looks really beautiful. I mean, the watch itself, even the when I'm saying it, it looks really beautiful. Let me see what's inside here. Inside. So user manual, charging. This is charger, I'm assuming. This is the charger. And let's bring out the watch itself. This is the watch, and it looks beautiful, more beautiful than I actually expected. I mean, in the phone, I have seen it in videos and in hands of many people, so I expected it. Although I like it more in person than in the videos. It looks really nice, and the screen is really edge to edge. And but the watch, I really did not watch many videos about it, the review videos. So it was a surprising beauty for me. Like, I mean, it looks really beautiful in person, maybe more beautiful than you see it in the videos, even my video. So it looks really nice. So let's see how it looks on my hand. It looks like this. I don't know how it looks, but I'm buying it for the health features, and even if it doesn't look good, I'm still going to keep it. So hopefully it will look good on me, or at least average on me. So this is the charger, and it should snap like this. And this area, you will plug it in the charger, whatever charger you have lying around in the home, because none of the accessories bring a charger with them, just a cable. So you can plug this in a charger or in a laptop, anything that has a USB port, power bank, and then you can charge your. Okay, now it's showing the charge indicator. So the battery was dead, it was empty, but now we can see that there is a charging indicator. So that's good. Now let's turn it on if we can turn it on. Okay, now we are able to turn it on. So it was the battery issue. The battery was completely dead, and now you can see that it's turning itself on. And now it is asking me to set up, so which is I'm going to do later. This is the watch, the phone, and I'm going to use them for a few months, and then I will let you guys know how I feel about them and how I feel when switching from Pixel to a Samsung. Was it a good experience or meh? So yeah, so take care guys, and bye.